need to do a warm up?
No. Let's just do it.
Red leather with yellow leather.
This one's for you, Emma.
Emma!
Because you made us do it.
That's right. Just like our moms. You made a commitment.
You made a commitment. You gotta do it.
So we're gonna do it. All right, you ready to go?
Ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Where we are mixing up a brand new martini for you guys every single Monday of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this month is our
Internationally
inspired cocktails, and this one's gonna take us to the Caribbean.
Yes.
The Caribbean, to an island known as Grand Cayman, which is also known as Tortuga.
Tortuga.
So we're gonna make a Tortuga Rum Punch Martini.
Yeah, we just threw this bad boy together like 5 minutes ago.
Yes, we did. Hopefully, I mean, the ingredients sound amazing, so I think this is going to be a really good one.
This is Bob and Kelly just got back from Norway. What do we have in the liquor cabinet? Let's make up a drink and film a video.
And we'll just, since we're using this wonderful gold Tortuga rum,
yeah,
it is our Tortuga Rum Punch Martini.
Yeah.
So,
sounds good.
Yeah, it does. Let's get this puppy started.
Okay.
By the way, this is probably one of the best rums I've ever had in my life.
Yeah.
If you ever get a chance to have Tortuga rum, you can actually sip this. This is like a good sipping rum. Mm. It's good.
Yeah, the recipe we found actually for a rum punch martini, there is such a thing, believe it or not.
Yes.
Calls for dark rum. We have a golden rum because we didn't have dark rum in our liquor cabinet.
Besides, I like this better anyway.
This is what we're gonna go with.
And this is probably better.
Yeah.
So anyway, here we go.
Okay, so you need rum.
Where's my measuring thing?
Kelly
used it to measure
over there.
Lemon juice. So.
Yes, I used it to measure lemon juice.
All right, so we're gonna start off with our little cocktail mixer here, and we're gonna start with 3 ounces of our Tortuga Gold Rum.
Okay. I didn't know that you could make martinis with rum, but apparently you can make a martini out of whatever you want to.
Yeah, you can make it out of lighter fluid if you wanted to.
Ew, no. That would be terrible.
Yeah, it would be. That's
don't do that.
On your own risk.
Don't do that.
Don't do that at all.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we need 2 ounces of pineapple juice.
Okay.
And by the way, this makes 2 martinis.
Yes, as always.
As always.
Because our recipes always make
5-ounce martinis.
Yeah, our recipes always make 2.
So we got 2 ounces of pineapple juice.
Okay. And you need 2 ounces of orange juice.
2 ounces of orange.
Orange.
2 ounces of orange juice.
Then you need 2 ounces of coconut rum.
Good old Malibu.
Yep. We got the big
Ramma Jamma. So if you ever want to just chug a lug,
and it's in a plastic bottle in case you drop it, it'll just bounce.
It does bounce like a bumble.
Like a bumble.
2 ounces of coconut rum.
And then 1 ounce of lemon juice.
Limon.
I have measured this freshly squeezed lemon.
Freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Right, 1 ounce.
Perfect, right?
I'm telling you what, best little bartender helper ever.
I know. I get a gold star.
And this is what's unusual about it. I've never done this before.
No.
It calls for 2 teaspoons of powdered or confectioner sugar.
Yeah, which is kind of weird. I've never put powdered sugar
There's
in.
one.
That's a 2 teaspoon.
Okay, this is a 2 teaspoon measure.
Yeah, Bob was gonna like.
I was about to
up.
sugar this sucker up for sure.
Thank goodness you have Quality Control Kelly.
That's a good name for you. We need a T-shirt that says
Quality
that.
Control Kelly.
So as always, chill your glasses with your little icy. Or set them in the freezer.
Yeah.
It's just as easy to do this.
Yep.
So anyway, here goes the ice that I'm coming out of my glass.
Okay.
You need to ditch that one.
Ditch that one. I will ditch while you shake.
Too much.
Okay.
And shaky, shaky. Of course, you want to shake until it's really getting cold. And of course, the colder it gets,
the harder
it is to get open. Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what the powdered sugar does.
Oh, it made it nice and foamy.
All right.
This is Hody-Do foamy.
We did not sugar our rims or anything like that. We're just going to go straight up. Bob did make these cool little orange curly cues.
This is pretty.
For garnish. It is pretty.
Like it.
Very pretty.
I'm going to give it props on the beauty scale.
Okay. Props on the beauty scale.
You betcha. And everybody knows beauty's only skin deep. It's got to taste good too.
Yeah. One of the little things that Emma and I learned on our cruise that we just did a cocktail mixology class is you can take your little zests and just kind of like
Squeeze it
over the top of your cocktail, and it makes it kind of, gives it that little like, what is that called? Effervescence.
Lemon. It gives it, it's the essential oils of the lemon actually that you're squirting into it. So it gives it a little bit more lemon flavor.
Yeah, so and then I'm gonna put the little curly Q on the side, just like that.
Yes.
There we have Rum Punch Martini.
Mine fell in.
We're gonna,
Everybody in the pool.
I'm sorry. We're gonna pause for pictures.
Pause for pictures.
Here, real quick, and we'll be right back. Wow, 2 pictures and we're done.
2 pictures.
Woo!
And here we go.
All right, cheers. Mon.
Cheers, Mon. That's nice. That's really nice.
Very islandy.
Yeah, you got coconut and the orange and the pineapple.
I think you would like this one, Emma, since you made us do it.
And the rum. Oh, that's so good. That rum is so good.
And it's smooth. It's not really super strong.
No, it doesn't have like a bite to it.
You get a little bit of the rum in there, but you also get the pineapple, orange juice, and the coconut. I don't taste powdered sugar at all.
No,
but
it does sweeten it up.
It must like take the place of a simple syrup, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool.
I think it's great. It's kind of like a pina colada martini.
It is. It is kind of like a pina colada martini without the like the iciness of a pina colada. That's good.
That's really good.
Very nice.
This, if you ever want to have like an island party, this is the drink right here. You can make a picture of it. Picture of these, you know, the stuff, not the
like the
not snap picture, the
like
drink
a picture.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Not just like people would be snockered before you know it.
Yeah. Thanks for making us make martinis today, Emma. Because this one turned out pretty good.
It really did.
All right. As always, I will leave a picture at the end of this video with the recipe, and I will write it in the description down below. But otherwise, you guys have a great Monday. Thanks for joining us for Martini Monday again, and we will like it if you hit the subscribe button.
For the 10 of you that watch this
for
video,
the 10 of you that do watch Martini Monday.
And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do it, because you know what? We're good.
You're missing out.
Yeah, you are. So,
and those 10 of you that watch,
yeah, thank you so much.
All right.
We love you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And we will see you guys next time. Okay, love you, bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
That's good. I like it.
Good job, Cal.
Good job.
Nice find.